You know, as I get ready to depart and go back to the States, I just wanted to tell you on camera that this, again, is a beautiful experience. I implore everyone who is not here to come back. How do you feel? I mean, I know you've been asked this question a lot of times, but it takes a lot of hard work, coordination, skills, all kinds of stuff to pull off a tour like this. How do you feel now as we're inching down towards the end of the tour?
I feel great. It's been one straight year of just hard work and dedication. And you know, when you're doing this kind of work, you have to think beyond yourself, beyond just the immediate people around you. We live, most of us live in America and the Caribbean, and what we look at is building a great experience and also building a legacy in Africa. That way, our children will have strong foundations to build upon. And the way you do a lot of that is really working with a lot of the grassroots schools and the younger generation, because that's where the help needs. So we set up we do 4 regions. So we have a school in each of the main regions that we go to: the Accra region, Cape Coast, the Central region, which Elmina, here we are in Elmina, is a part of, and the Accra region. So we have picked one school in each region and have dedicated our time and energy to make sure that we give financial support, school supplies, and just give general love and build our relationship. And we also encourage other brothers and sisters from the diaspora to do the same. And the more of us that can do that, then the more we can build strong institutions and build more of a self-sufficient, self-reliant energy for our children in Africa.
Beautiful. And the question of the day is, what keeps you coming back? I know it's a lot of hard work, sometimes very frustrating. I plan events too, so I know that the coordination, sometimes things don't go the way that you want it to and you get frustrated. What keeps you coming back to Ghana and bringing our people over?
When I first started traveling on the African continent between 2004 and 2006, I went to many Holocaust dungeons, mainly in Ghana and Senegal. And the energy of the ancestors wrapped me up and just explained to me that I need to bring more of my brothers and sisters so they can understand what happened to our people, and also understand that we must use this as a tool to build a strong future. Like we always talk about Sankofa, going back to connect with the roots so we can move forward stronger. That's the main thing. We want to do is just want to make sure we get a good amount of our people here so they can understand what we need to do more to make sure our family and our future is secured.
Beautiful. And we want to thank you on behalf of all the people who have been to Ghana with Africa for the Africans, and all of those who are watching and are inspired even if they might not make the journey to Ghana, West Africa. Tell them a little bit more logistics about 2013, what you have in store, and how they can get more information on that.
Yes, family. Our next journeys to Ghana is July and October 2013. And you can find all of the details, full itinerary, full schedule information on our website, africafortheafricans.org. And what we're looking to do is get everyone registered and get everyone to lock in on the deposits so we can get everything in place for the journey. And then from there on, we pace ourselves and get everyone enrolled into preparation for the journey.
Beautiful. And it will be the journey of a lifetime. So until we wrap again, you are hearing the voice of Jesse Pepe Park, October 2012 in Ghana, West Africa.
Yes, family. Take care, family. We keep it strong.